In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock your LinkedIn profile. We'll do this using the LinkedIn mobile app, and by the end, your public profile will be hidden from people outside LinkedIn and from search engines, giving you tighter control over what's visible online. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone and make sure you're signed in. From the main feed, tap your profile picture to open your account menu. Depending on your device and app version, it's usually at the top corner. In the menu that appears, look for Settings and tap it. This takes you to the main settings area where you can manage how your information is shown. Next, tap Visibility. This section controls who can see your profile and your activity. Under the header that says Visibility of your profile and network, choose Edit your public profile. This opens the page that manages what people outside of LinkedIn can view. At the top, you'll see Public Profile Visibility. Turn that switch off. When it's off, your public profile is disabled, which means your name and profile details won't appear to people who aren't signed into LinkedIn, and your profile won't be accessible from search engines. A couple of helpful notes here. This change can take a little time to update across the web, especially in search results that may cache older versions of your profile. So don't worry if you still see traces for a short while. Also, this setting focuses on your public-facing profile. LinkedIn members who are signed in may still be able to view parts of your profile based on your other visibility settings and your relationship to them. If you want even more privacy, you can explore additional visibility controls in the same section, such as what members can see and how you appear when viewing other profiles. If the wording looks slightly different on your screen, that's normal. LinkedIn occasionally updates the interface, but the path remains the same. Profile icon, Settings, Visibility, then edit your public profile and turn off public profile visibility. You can switch this back on anytime if you want your profile to be discoverable again. If you don't see these options, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. That's all it takes to lock down your LinkedIn profile's public view. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials.